I think this is magic, and too few firms get that.
Yeah.
They think they've got to lean into technical competence, and that's going to carry the day. And sadly, that's getting either, it is commoditized, it's getting AI'd out the door,
Right.
some of
That's
that, right, or outsourced. And so this notion of relationship building and every touch point matters, to me, is more important than ever.
Yeah.
However, my question to you is, does this have legs? Does every touch point matter? Is that going to get AI'd out the door? Help me understand your thoughts on that.
I've got thoughts on that.
Please.
So first of all, AI can't replace relationships.
Yeah.
And it's interesting. I think, I learned so much from my children. I have a 22-year-old and a 19-year-old. I learn more from them than they learn from me. That's for sure. Relationships are about human interaction, and the nuances and complexities of personalities and emotions and feelings combined with intellect and technical expertise is where the magic truly lies, right? I can go get information anywhere today. It's on my phone, it's readily available and accessible. But the application of knowledge, the application, the timeliness, the delivery, so much of that secret sauce is far more art than science. And there is so much room for people to be better at it. And I think Gray Matter Group is focused in the exact right area. And it goes across all professional services, to your point, whether you're a consulting firm, a law firm, any professional service firm, you can be an accounting firm. I have to understand your business before I know the rules of accounting and GAAP principles.
Sure.
So it definitely has legs.